plants, y'all. So I found a few indoor plants at Home Depot. And even though this one came in a really nice pot, it's like a ceramic pot. Probably gonna use it for something else. I want to put this in this pot. And I get a smaller plant, probably like a little cactus or something, and put it in this because I really like this pot. I have some Miracle Grow indoor potting mix because these plants are going inside. So I'm going to put some dirt first because I want the plant to sit up a little bit. So I'm going to put some dirt at the bottom. This bag is really light because the dirt is very dry.
Oh, you miss my touching, you do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice.
Miracle Grow plant food, but I don't know where I put it. Because I wanted to put it in there before I put it inside. Anyway, let me do the other one. This is how it's very light. The dirty straw. It's gonna go inside, right in the window. It is an indoor plant, and it only requires low light. Okay, from the Trending Tropicals collection at Home Depot. Says it grows big and colorful leaves, medium to low light. So this one says durable and low maintenance. That's what I need. Low light plant. Okay. Plants of steel, so they don't require a lot of maintenance. Do not need a lot of light. It says low light. Let the top inch of soil dry before watering. It's a good indoor plant. I'm looking for the name. Because in the store I saw a snake plant. I guess because it resembles a snake. But I know it has to have some other name.
Show me something, give me more than
this way camera. I have these little grip pans or whatever you call them to go underneath. When I water, they don't need a lot of water. Camera.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, no need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Be a sweet concussion. Oh, you lose my touching.
So I'm going to make myself, these are double windows. I'm going to make some tie backs. I'm going to tie these curtains back permanently so that the little sun that does come in this window, you know, both plants can get some of the sun. But I have to do the tie backs because the curtains kind of block a little bit. I thought that was a good spot. I have a fern directly in this window to catch all the sun. It's also an indoor-outdoor plant, as long as it gets the sunlight. Now I did buy, this is also an indoor plant, or they call it a house plant. That's the name of this one. Y'all, I can't see squat without my glasses, but anyway, I bought this one big, already big, and I didn't change the pot or anything. I'm just gonna leave it in the, let me show y'all what it came in. It's a pot inside of this little basket, like a little. And I was gonna have a drip tray under everything, so I could just water it inside. I don't really have to bring it outside. So I do have this one plant that I'm not sure what I want to pot. I know I'm going to repot it, and I'm going to save this pot because this is a ceramic pot and I can use it for something else. But this is a fig leaf plant and they grow kind of tall, if it survives. But I want to put it in a bigger pot, so I'm not sure what pot I'm gonna do. I do have this one, but I don't think this is big enough. I think I want something a little wider than this, so I'm not sure yet about this one. So I'm gonna keep it in here and just water it and keep it good until I decide exactly what pot I want to put it in. But this one requires a lot of light, so I have to find a spot that gets a lot of light. I think I'm gonna put it towards this other window, not this one, because the fern kind of blocks this one a lot. So probably gonna move it down. Oops, just something I'm trying out, y'all, to see if they survive with the light that comes. Because I don't get a lot of light, but I do get some light in these windows. So I'm gonna see how they do with the amount of light that does come in. So, and I'll keep you all posted. I hope everybody's doing good out there. Nothing too much else going on.